Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing amazingly well. In today's video, I share with you this super easy and very crunchy milk chin chin recipe. This is party style chin chin, and trust me, you're going to love it. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. This is where I share easy cooking recipes. So if this is what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. For ingredients, I'm going to be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Can you use plain flour if that is what you have? Next, I'll go in with half teaspoon of nutmeg, salt to taste. Moving forward, I'll also go in with half teaspoon of baking powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with half cup of sugar. Can you use any type of sugar of your choice? Let's stir everything together until all is nice and well incorporated. And once that is done, I'll go in with my fresh whole milk. Feel free to use evaporated milk if that is what you have. Now let's stir everything together until it forms a beautiful dough. Alright, so since I'm making milk chin chin, no need to go in with any other water apart from the milk. You can also use powdered milk if that is what you have. Now let's stir everything together very nicely until it forms a beautiful dough, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So for the consistency of the dough, it shouldn't be very soft and the dough shouldn't be very hard as well. It should have a very perfect consistency, just the way you see it on your screens right now. So moving forward, I'm going to start by kneading the dough for about 5 minutes. But before that, I'll add about 1.5 tablespoons of salted margarine to the dough, and I'll knead alongside with it. I want to really achieve a very soft and a very flavorful dough. So adding the butter or margarine at this stage helps you really achieve a very nice and tasty chin chin. Trust the process and you're going to love it. Now let's flour our working surface, and we're going to use our rolling pin to roll out the dough until I get a very thin size or a very flat size, just the way you see it on the screens right now. Remember to flour your space very well and also on the dough as well, so that the working or the kneading process will be very easy. Now after getting the perfect size, I will use my knife to create these beautiful incisions on it. Feel free to use scissors or pizza cutter to create these lines and you are good to go. So as we all know, chin chin has this regular shapes that we normally do, which is the cubes or square shapes that we normally see at parties, or as a content creator we normally make that shapes as well. But trust me, today I was just feeling these vibes that I needed to create something new. And trust me, the perception about this recipe was that everybody was asking if it was chin chin. I just didn't know why they were asking me that, because the shapes looks a little bit different from the normal chin chin shapes that we have. Trust me, sometimes you need to be very creative, play with something, and you will come out with something very nice, which everybody will think is a different recipe altogether. But trust me, it's the same recipe. But trust me, when you make something like this and portray them at parties, I mean, if you are making a serve yourself buffet and you present something like this to them, they will think it's not chin chin. They will think it's something else. They will eat and later realize, but this tastes like chin chin. And by the time you realize, you have already finished everything. Alright, so that was just by the way. Alright, so now that our oil is nice and very hot, let's go in with our chin chin, which we're going to be frying the first one, the ring ones, to see how it will turn out. Trust me, I absolutely love the outcome. It turned out very beautiful and very presentable as well. As I always say, do trust the process and you will definitely love it. Alright, so whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you, my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've been frying the chin for about 5 minutes now, and this is the outcome. As you can see, it's looking super good. I love the perfect golden brown color that it has achieved. One thing about this style of chin is that you really need to fry it on a low medium heat until it becomes very crispy. You don't have to put pressure on it at all. It should take your time to fry perfectly, just the way you see it on your screens right now. It has really achieved the perfect golden brown color, and that's what I'm looking for. It's looking very crispy and very inviting as well. So now let's set this aside and we're going to fry our second batch, which is our normal shapes of chin that we normally see, and we're going to fry on low medium heat as well until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for, just the way you see it on your screens right now. This looks super good, and I love the aroma in here as well. All you have to do is to trust the process and you are going to love it. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this party style make chin recipe. It turned out really good, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.